Hello everyone, I am Aishwarya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see a topic about rank correlation. Rank correlation is studied when no assumption about the parameters of the population is made. This method is based on ranks. It is useful to study the qualitative measure of attributes like honesty, color, beauty, intelligence, character, morality, etc. The individuals in the group can be arranged in order and thereon, obtaining for each individual a number showing his or her rank in the group. This method was developed by Edward Spearman in 1904. It is defined as R is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square by n cube minus n. Here the R denotes the rank correlation coefficient and some of them use rho for the rank correlation. And summation d square represents the sum of squares of difference between the pairs of marks and n denotes the number of pairs of observations. The value of R lies between minus 1 and plus 1. If R is equal to plus 1, there is complete agreement in order of ranks and the direction of rank is also same. If R is equal to minus 1, then there is complete disagreement in order of ranks and they are in opposite directions. So next we are going to see an example of rank correlation. Here the data of price of tea and price of coffee is given. So we have to find the rank correlation for these two data. So first we have to rank the rank the both the individuals. So first we are taking the price of tea. So out of this price of tea, I have to rank for all those values. Comparing all other numbers, the first highest number is 95. So I give 95 as first rank and the second highest number is 2. So the second highest number is 90. So I give 2 to that number and the third highest number is 88. So I give the rank as 3 and the fourth highest number is 75. So I give 4. So likewise we have to give rank for all these data. In the same way we have to give the rank for the price of coffee also. So after ranking both the data, we have to find the value of D. So we have to find the value of D. So we have to subtract both the rank. So for this there is 4 minus 3 I get an answer as 1 and 3 minus 2 I get an answer as. So like this we have to find all the values of D. After that we have to calculate the D square, which means we have to square all the values of D. Then we obtain the value of D square. So this is the total calculation of this table. So after all the calculation, we have to find the summation d square value. Summation means we have to sum the values, which means the summation d square means we have to sum the d square values. So by adding all the d square values, I get an answer as 6. So after all the calculation, we have to substitute it in the formula. So the formula for the rank correlation is R is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square, which is divided by n cube minus n. So here the n represent the number of values given in the data. So here there are totally 7 numbers given in the data. So the n is equal to 7. So after that I substitute all the value 1 minus 6. The summation d square value will also be a 6. So substitute 6 instead of summation d square, and we already know that the n value is 7. So instead of n I substitute 7. So after all the calculation, I get an answer as R is equal to 0.8929. So the rank correlation of this problem is 0.8929. And the next problem is here another data is given. So we have to find the rank correlation. So in the same way we are going to calculate it. First I take the first row as X and the second row as Y. So in the same way we have to give rank for all these data. So first I am going to give the rank for the X data. So here the highest number will be 95. So I give 95 as the first rank. So after that the second highest number will be 88. So I give the second rank to the number 88. Likewise we have to give rank for all the X data. In the same way we have to give the rank for the Y data also. So in the Y data the highest number will be 90. So I give first rank to the 90 and the second highest number will be 88. So I give second rank to the 88. Likewise we have to give the rank to the remaining all the numbers. So after that we have to find the value of D. So to find the value of D, we have to subtract the rank of both the data. So by subtracting both the data, I get a value of D. So after that, we have to find the value of D square also. We already know that for finding the value of D square, we have to square the each value of D. So for example, in the first value will be 2. By squaring 2, I get an answer as 4. And the second will be 0. By squaring 0, I get an answer as 0. So likewise, we have to square all the values of D to obtain the value of D square. So in the same way, we have to find the summation D square, which means we have to sum all the values of D square. By adding all the values, I get an answer as 30. So here the number of datas in the x and y will be 8. So n is equal to 8. So by substituting all the values in the formula, that is 1 minus 6 into, instead of summation D square, I substitute the value 30, and instead of n, I substitute the value of 8. So after substituting all the elements, we have to calculate this problem. So by calculating, I get an answer as 0.643. So the rank correlation of this problem will be 0.643. Thank you.